Here comes Michael Hill for Clutch. Incoming Clutch with a goal here. Yes. Great finish. We go back to the start again. Bilal Sayoud for the 26ers. Meds. Here comes Brian Lee for United. Another goal. Francis Jared Mampolo. The Depot Trio. We're getting to the business end of things now. Nice stuff from Mampolo there. Good finish. Here comes Luis Papage. Baracus sees his penalty save. He's eliminated. Montel McKenzie is up for MVPs. Does he go early? He goes early this time. It's a goal. And here comes Michael Hill once again. Clutch FC. Michael goes high. Great finish. Bilal Sayoud steps up once again. Takes it round the keeper. Slotted perfectly. Brian Lee. Here he goes. With the dummy. It's wide. United eliminated. Francis Jared Mampolo now. The Depot Trio scores. Right, here comes Montel McKenzie once again MVPs. We're down to our final four. It's a good finish. Michael Hill now. Come on, Michael, what you got? Takes it with his left and scores. We go back to the start. Bilal Sayoud scores. Great finish. Here comes Francis Jared Mampolo. Tries to go round the keeper, kicks it in, but that's it. Mampolo's out. Our final three. Here comes Montel McKenzie. It's a goal, a great finish from Montel. Michael Hill now, this is our top three, playing for the pressure point. And it's the final two. Will it be Bilal Sayoud for the 26ers or Montel McKenzie for MVPs? Bilal scores. He's got to score. He's got to score. He takes it round the keeper perfectly. And puts it in the net. We go again. Bilal Sayoud steps up and scores. Come on, Montel, your time. Montel McKenzie with a bit of trickery here. Tries to make the keeper and he's missed, which means